Impro is a leading global manufacturer of high-precision, high-complexity, mission-critical castings, precision-machined parts, and hydraulic orbital motors. We're the world's 6th largest independent investment casting manufacturer, China's largest, and the world's 4th largest precision machining company in the automotive, aerospace, and hydraulics market. Impro has a long-standing twin-engine strategy to grow our business through highly synergistic acquisitions and organic expansion in high-potential end markets and regions. In 2016, we began manufacturing operations in Mexico. Trade war and pandemic-induced supply chain shortages have accelerated our further expansion into Mexico as customers demand regionalized supply solutions. We purchased land for the Impro Mexico Campus in April 2019 and began construction that August. The Impro Manufacturing Campus in Mexico is situated in San Luis Potosí, allowing us to reach all markets in North America. In February 2021, the first building for the precision machining plant was completed. By November 2021, the plant was consolidated. In August 2021, the sand casting plant building was completed, and that November, production kicked off. In June 2022, the investment casting plant building was completed, and on November 28th, production kicked off. We're proud of the milestones we've achieved in Mexico. New and high-potential customers initiated working relationships, demonstrating our investment in Mexico is highly aligned with customer expectations. See what our customers say about Impro Mexico. Impro colleagues from Turkey, China, the US, and Mexico play pivotal roles in developing the new manufacturing center of excellence in Mexico. Impro made a major investment to create a comfortable, safe, and efficient working environment. The precision machining plant successfully serves customers in the automotive and industrial equipment industries. At this state-of-the-art facility, we're equipped with advanced processing technologies, reflecting Impro's cumulative technical expertise. The sand casting plant serves industry leaders in diverse end markets. This facility is equipped with Sinto and KW Green sand molding lines from Japan and Germany. Our flexible production setup allows us to produce low to high volume iron castings ranging from 0.5 to 400 kilograms. Our investment casting plant is equipped with the latest process technologies. We will provide vertically integrated, innovative, one-stop solutions for our customers. The aerospace components plant and surface treatment plant will begin production in 2023. Moving forward, Impro will continue to be a customer-centric company. We will continue to focus our manufacturing services on high precision, high complexity, and mission-critical parts and systems. We will further expand our business in diverse end markets and regions. Our vision will guide us on the road to continued growth and success.